Hi guys! Welcome to my cooking channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to cook Filipino style spaghetti or sweet style spaghetti. Here's what we need for this recipe. You may pause the video to list down or screenshot all the ingredients. Let's start cooking. First, we need to do is to prepare the pasta. Add water. Cooking oil and salt. Cover and wait for the water to boil. Once the water starts boiling, add spaghetti pasta. Submerge the pasta in the boiling water. Cover and wait for the pasta to be tender. This may take 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the brand of your pasta. Once the pasta is tender, drain the water. Transfer pasta in a large bowl, then set it aside first. We will now make the sauce. Add ground pork in a pan. Do not use cooking oil yet. Spread the ground pork, then cover it. Wait for the ground pork to turn from pink to flesh in color. Once it is flesh in color, make a room for cooking oil. Add minced garlic. Saute minced garlic until you can already smell its aroma. Add minced onion. Saute minced onion for about 10 seconds. Add ground black pepper, salt, mix and saute all the ingredients until the ground pork turns slightly brown in color. You should make sure that the ground pork is cooked well, so that your sauce will not have a foul smell of uncooked pork. Add thinly sliced hot dogs. Saute for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the hot dogs are cooked. Add your choice of Filipino-style spaghetti sauce. Pork or beef cube. Add 1/2 cup of water. Adjust water depending your desired sauce thickness. Stir thoroughly until all the ingredients are well blended. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes on medium heat. After 5 minutes, your sauce is done. You may now serve your sweet style spaghetti. Top it with grated cheese for best result. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe for more cooking videos. Bye!